Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about crypto regulations. Before I start, I want to clarify that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As cryptocurrencies gain more mainstream acceptance and become more widely used, governments around the world are starting to take notice and establish regulatory frameworks for their use. Currently, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is quite varied and often unclear, with different countries taking different approaches to their regulation. Some countries, such as Japan and Switzerland, have embraced cryptocurrencies and implemented relatively liberal regulatory frameworks, while others, such as China and India, have taken a more restrictive approach. In the United States, the regulation of cryptocurrencies is still in its early stages, with different agencies taking different approaches. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has classified some cryptocurrencies as securities and brought enforcement actions against companies that violate securities laws, while the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has classified some cryptocurrencies as commodities and established regulations for their trading. Other countries are also beginning to implement regulations around cryptocurrency exchanges, with some requiring exchanges to register with financial regulatory authorities and comply with certain anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KIC, regulations. While some in the crypto community may view these regulations as a hindrance to the growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies, they can also provide a level of legitimacy and protection for investors and users. It's important for those involved in the crypto industry to stay up to date with the latest regulatory developments and comply with any applicable regulations to ensure the long-term success and sustainability of the industry. That's all for today's video on crypto regulations. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.